In this demo, we're going to look at the concept of beats. We have two tuning forks of different frequencies. So this one's at 256 hertz, and this one's slightly greater than that. So when you have both of them going at the same time, you should hear beats. You should hear this pulsing. So let's see what happens if you hit this tuning fork. So hopefully you heard that pulse. It's a result of the two different frequencies interfering in a way that produces pulses. And that's an example of how sound waves interfere to produce beats.